How does Alice work? Alice is a system that allows a real-time assessment of the correspondence between the labeling of a cigarette pack and the requirements in the declared final destination of the shipment. To access Alice, enter the username and the password in the appropriate spaces and click on the Login button. At the first access, Alice opens a disclaimer that explains the terms and conditions. After reading the disclaimer carefully, click I agree with this disclaimer and agree to use the app. After the first access, the disclaimer will no longer appear and the access will be directly to the application. On the first screen, Alice shows the list of possible final destinations of the analyzed cigarette shipment. Scroll through the list and select the final destination of the shipment, or write the final destination directly in the space and select it. If the final destination of the shipment has legal requirements for cigarette packs, first Alice shows the image of the pack that reflects all the legal requirements. By swiping right and left, Alice shows all sides of the pack. It is also possible to zoom in on the image to see the details. By clicking on the Alternative Health Warnings tab, Alice shows the other possible warnings that can be printed on the packs. It is possible to scroll through the warnings and select a specific one. By clicking on the Details tab, Alice shows some specific information about the legal requirements of the cigarette packs. If there is a green check, the detail is present. Click on the plus button to have more specifics. Otherwise, a red cross is shown. In the last tab, References to the Law, Alice shows the list of laws regulating cigarette packs in the selected country. These laws were used as a basis for the information included in the app. If the selected final destination is a country for which there is currently no available information in the app, Alice shows a disclaimer. Under the name of the country, it always shows the date of the last update for the selected destination. The button with the question mark on the top right opens the frequently asked questions. Here it is possible to find the most frequently asked questions about Alice or contact Crime&tech using the form at the bottom of the page. By selecting the menu on the top right, a list of options is opened. At the bottom, it is possible to choose the language of use for Alice. Search goes back to the initial search and choice of the country of destination of the shipment. Project opens a tab with an explanation of what Alice is. Modify Password allows change to the initial password provided. It is recommended to change it immediately after the first access by following the instructions. Logout closes the application. In addition to the mobile application, the Alice system provides a web application that can be interrogated from laptops with the same features as the mobile app.